Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install iPhone keyboard on your VIVO IQOO 5 Pro. So in order to do this, one needs to open our Google Play Store, and from here start search for a green Apple keyboard. It's this app right here. Let's install it. Now we can open it. From here enable it in settings. So change your default. It should be right here actually. So enable green Apple keyboard right here. Now if we go back and open it again, we'll need to switch our input like this. There will be some ads. And now we're finished. Now let's look on the keyboard and that's the keyboard. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.